You have to first download noxplayer. It is an emulator of Android for PC or laptop. So first of all, open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, search for noxplayer, or I will provide the link in description. You have to download it. It is a 370 MB software. From here, it is a 370 MB software. After downloading, it looks like this. Now open noxplayer. It will take some time for a start for loading for you, because you have to enable virtualization technology in your computer or PC. If you don't know how to on it, you can see the I button, or at the end screen I will provide the video option for enabling the virtualization technology. So now here it looks like a phone. As Free Fire is very famous game, the Free Fire downloading option comes over here, but if it not comes, simply you have to go here over here, Play Store, and search for Free Fire and download it. It looks like simple phone. It uses a simple phone. After downloading, you can see here Free Fire. Now open it. And for your setting up your controls, it will show you how to get controls from the screen. But if you want to change it, you can change it here from key set. From here. Now, as you are having 2 GB or 4 GB MPC, it will take some time, but the game will run without any lag or stutter. As you can see, it shows what are the controls. Now close it. Here are all the controls of the Free Fire, and I will touch too. So for now, bye bye. And if you face any problem in downloading it or working it in noxplayer, you can comment in the chat box, or you can contact me on Instagram direct DM. So thank you and bye bye.